To make a screen recording on S24 Ultra, you're going to swipe down from the top twice. So swipe down once, swipe twice, and we should see the screen recorder. If we don't, just swipe to the next page. And when we tap the screen recorder, we see start recording and these options. Sound, you have no sound. System sound, such as a video or keyboard typing on your phone. Media and mic means those previous sounds, but if you speak, that will be captured as well. And you can show your taps and touches. So when we start the recording, we have a countdown. And once it ends, every action on your phone will be recorded. You can add annotations to your recording. You can pause the recording or stop. This menu won't show in your recording, but if you tap the arrow, you can hide it, and you can swipe to the left to bring it up again. And when we stop the recording, it will go to our gallery. But if you want to change the quality of your recording, maybe the resolution, head to your settings, and you're going to search for screen recording, and we see screenshots and screen recordings. And in this menu, we can change our video quality here. So just make sure this is on high, 1080p, and then we're done.